Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? This is very important update and very danger for everyone. But kindly, if you are new my channel, 12,700 people subscribe this channel. They are all earn money in a crypto. So if you also want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, Digibyte, one of the fastest cryptocurrency. When I see my friend in the start of month a Digibyte, so this coin will completely go in the moon now, and I am very happy, I am very excited to see this. So how is it possible? Because in the start of month every coin will falls down, so how is it possible to they will get a profit? But I found one big reason, my friends, to after a huge jump absolutely every coin will dumps down. So the main reason was that, and the second reason, my friend, the second is that to when a short-term investor stop sale starting selling, my friends, so therefore the convert dumps down. So I will tell you to please don't starting selling, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time, my friend, Digibyte will give you a profit. And absolutely 2 days ago to I invest in Digibyte, and they will give me a very good profit in very short time. So therefore I have also recommend all of you now to please, if you have a plan to invest in Digibyte in those days, so I think it's a very good chance to you will get a profit. My brothers, don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get a profit. Otherwise, my friends, we will cannot get a profit. And every day this one will increase now. So thanks for watching Digibyte coin holder. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.